Let's have a look at the students' learning outcomes. After completing this unit, students will be able to predict a story by looking at the pictures in the text, comprehend asked questions about the given pictures, read aloud the given text in the story, respond to the text post-reading to express how they take the story, comprehend and respond to simple questions, recognize and understand three-syllable words, pronounce three-syllable words, recognize and write three-syllable words, use appropriate expressions in conversation to listen and respond to commands, creatively comprehend the text from the book and write it in their own words, use words related to inventions in sentence making, recognize and identify three-syllable words, enhance the vocabulary with the words from the story, think and write three-syllable words, rearrange the letters and correct the spellings of three-syllable words, identify, understand, and recognize homonyms. Pen down a few words on the topic related to invention in their own words. Write down homonyms along with the meanings. And finally, use appropriate expressions in conversation to articulate, recognize, and use some formulaic expressions to offer and respond to greetings.